Hello, today we will guide you through how to verify a Shopify domain on Facebook Business Manager. By the end, you'll have your Shopify domain connected to your business on Facebook, which helps with ad tracking, event attribution, and brand protection. Start by opening Facebook and signing into the account that manages your business assets. From the left navigation, select the Facebook page associated with your store. This ensures you're working inside the correct environment. Once you're on the page, open Meta Business Suite. If you manage more than one business, use the profile dropdown in the top left corner to switch to the right business account before continuing. Inside Meta Business Suite, go to Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Brand Safety section and expand it. Under Brand Safety, choose Domains. This is where you'll add and verify the web address you use for your Shopify storefront. Click the Add button, then choose Create a Domain. A field will appear for your web address. Paste or type your Shopify store's domain exactly as visitors see it, typically your custom root domain such as example.com. Do not include HTTP, HTTPS, or any trailing slashes. If your store runs on a subdomain, like shop.example.com, enter that full subdomain. Using the precise domain matters for verification and for consistent event tracking. After entering the domain, click Add to Verify. Facebook will add the domain to your business manager and show you its verification status. Depending on your setup, you may see prompts with verification options, such as adding a meta tag to your site, uploading an HTML file, or adding a DNS-TXT record. Follow the on-screen guidance that fits your access level. If you manage your domain through Shopify, the meta tag method is often the quickest, as you can add it to your theme settings without touching DNS. Give the system a moment to process changes. If you just applied a DNS record, it can take longer to propagate, sometimes up to 24 hours. When you're done following the instructions, return to the Domains page in Business Manager and check that the status reads verified. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the page after a few minutes. A few tips as you wrap up. Ensure you're an admin on the Business Manager to complete verification, double-check that you added the exact domain customers see in the browser, and avoid adding multiple variations unless you actively use them. With your domain verified, your brand is better protected, and your advertising and conversion events can be attributed more reliably. Thanks for following along.